My name is Nyatime Kithinji. I live in Moshadha, Kiambu. I have the PV solar solution. I am very proud to be a Chloride customer. I have been with them apart from the solar. I am an online student. Every end of quarter we have exams, and basically the exams are also online. So during my April exams, the power went off. I had to ask myself, how do I deal with this? Because that was not the last exam I was going to do online. So I made sure that I have to get a solution. Immediately I informed them, I called them and told them, I want a solution that I will work with all the gadgets in my house. So they took me through, explained to me about the bills, or rather the cost, how much it's going to cost. And for sure they kept the promise on when they'll come and deliver. And it was delivered. I'm happy. The way they take you through the solutions that they have makes it very easy for you to be able to choose what kind of solution is good for you. So yes, their customer service is wonderful. Join me in choosing Chloride Exide, where energy solutions go above and beyond your expectations.